don't have the tripod today. That's okay. Just doing a little science adventure. I'm at the Mystic River. Hang out here every now and then. And in my mochila backpack, I've got a end of the semester gift I bought myself. This was like 20 bucks online. It's just a little mini microscope. And this is left over from summer school. And so we're gonna go see, I was doing some research. I don't think that my magnification 60 to 120 times is powerful enough to see microbes. I'm a biology student along with the meditation stuff. But we're gonna give it a shot, so let's give it a try. Alright, so I was at one spot, now I'm at another spot, and I kind of like it. I checked out one spot since the last clip, but it was very kind of like greasy trash water. And there's always microbes everywhere, it seems, but I thought this might be a better spot to check out, so we'll see. Right now I'm just organizing my bike and everything. I think I'll just lock it up. Alright, so I'm feeling super janky, but in a good way. Here's the setup. Bicycle is locked up, carried stuff in the backpack, wearing clothes. That one's a joke. Here's the microscope. Pretty exciting. I did kind of get it on a whim, but I had been wanting to get one for a while. I just pulled the trigger on this because it was 20 bucks and I had just finished the semester, so it was kind of like treating myself. So this one's the microscope, and then this is just a petri dish, and I've got a little water sucker up thing inside, and I'm just going to put it probably like a droplet on top. And then this thing has a light, and we'll see if you can see what I see. Here we go. Heading down. You should always check in with your local areas, restrictions and guidelines and stuff for activities like this. I did not, and that's my choice. Just taking one little water sample. Coming up here, so it's all held inside. Just do one drop to start, and then come like this, turn on the light. And so because usually you'd have a glass on both sides, and so this might not really work at all. Also, I have to be careful because whenever I adjust the focus it moves down, but it looks like it's going to be okay. I'm gonna look first and then see if I can share anything. So this is not really working as expected. You just saw something go across the screen. I had zoomed in. Oh, there's something else. I zoomed into the water droplet. Yep, that water droplet took up the whole field of vision. And now it's gonna take a second to. Is that it? Yep. Oh boy. So now my question to myself, because I am an amateur, is am I actually looking at, are we actually seeing organisms? Fuck, right there. Sorry, F. Basically it's cool to see stuff through the microscope, but I don't know yet if it's just like little dust particles drifting on top of the water, or if I'm looking at something inside. But this is pretty exciting to me, and so I wanted to share. You're welcome. That's the river. That's a nice date idea. And that's an airplane. Alright folks, bye! I'm just gonna clean off the camera. And so I took that same water sample and I just put it, you can see it right there actually, and I adjusted everything. And you should be able to see at least one Alright, this might take a while to figure out. You should see a microbe in there. This is super hard to figure out. Oh! So you can see it's moving irregularly. That's so cool. There's one. F. Alright, come on. Showing you something. Here we go. Is anything visible in that field? Well, just seeing that one is pretty cool. And yeah, it really makes you think. Now, okay. Stuff moving in there. Oh man, I can't tell you how exciting that is. So you see how those things are moving around, glistening? And there's one kind of in the middle, upper middle of the screen that's just kind of moving in circles. Wow, wow, wow. You can see all kinds of little stuff floating by. Wow. Ho 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 ho!